Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Well, I'm going to take some hired requests, and this is for April of 2023, and I'm kind of opening it up, make it a little more inclusive than I used to be. So let me tell you about that. So I've been teaching for 16 years online. My website has been my living for 16 years, so I consider myself a professional, an expert at this kind of thing, figuring out what someone wants me to teach and then teaching it in video form. And I'm going to do that two ways. I'm going to do it the first way I've always done it, which is using letters on the whiteboard by ear. You send me a YouTube link or a sound file or something, and then I figure it out and they do lessons for it, send you the sheets. But I'm also going to open up doing sheet music. If you have a piece of sheet music and you can just take screenshots of that sheet music or send me a file, I'll also do that. That's going to be cheaper than the by ear way because I don't have to figure it out. I just use the sheet music you already send me, okay? So the average price for figuring it out by ear and doing the letters on the whiteboard is going to be $300. It could be more. It could be less if it's really short, but on average about $300 for that type of lesson, which you guys are used to. Now the sheet music way, if you have sheet music, now you have to have it. I'm not going to hunt it down. If you have it and you can get it and you can give me screenshots or whatever, I can use that for the lessons in the video, and that's going to run about $100 for the sheet music because I don't have to spend all the time figuring it out. This request list I'm going to do for April. So I'm just going to take enough to where I can finish for April, so it's not going to be a huge list. So you'll get it kind of quick. You won't have to wait a long time. So that's a plus to that. So this is what you do. Send me an email to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. EASY piano lessons plural. easypianolessons@yahoo.com. And send me a YouTube link of the song you want me to figure out by ear if you want the letters by ear on the whiteboard, and I'll get back to you. So give me that YouTube link so I can watch it and see what it would cost. I'll get back to you. And the other way is if you want sheet music, you need to send me a file of those sheets, either the screenshots of the sheets or the actual file, just so I can look at that as well, and I'll give you a price and get back to you, okay? I will post the lessons on WebPianoTeacher.com, which you can get if you're already a member. If you need the video lessons without being a member, it'll cost just a little bit more because I have to give you links if you want to download links of the video lessons, because that takes me time to have to do that. So there'll be a small extra charge for that, for the time it takes me to send you video links. If you're not going to get them off the website, I can send you video files. So hopefully that's not too confusing. In any event, send your questions to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. Doing this request list for April, just a small list, and look forward to doing that for you guys. Talk to you later.